Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're so well. Today's video is so exciting. I feel like I say that all the time. Like, today's video is really exciting. I'm so excited about today's video. But guys, when I say I'm so excited about today's video, I'm really excited about today's video. Except the sun has been playing with me today. So please just ignore the light because now it's really dark. Great. The sun has been going in and out and in and out and shaking it all about for me today, and it's been driving me completely insane. And I bet you now the moment I finish filming, it's gonna go cloudy again, and that's what I want. Anyway, so today I'm gonna be showcasing a collection that I have really excitingly been a part of creating. So AVON has recently launched their West Coast Festival collection, and myself and 3 other influencers were asked to kind of advise the process, give my feedback on packaging and the products. I tried some samples, basically just get involved with the creation of this collection, which is so cool. On the back of the latest AVON catalogue, there she is. Hello. So when AVON originally reached out to me, I was really excited because AVON has been a brand that I know so many people have known and loved for so many years. My sister used to be an AVON rep. My dad's girlfriend is obsessed with AVON. So for me to be a part of this was just so cool, and I've never done anything like this before. The first stages for me were like making a mood board of, for me, what festival makeup is about. And my take on festival makeup is a little bit more grungy. I like fast, messy makeup basically for festival season. So I put together a mood board, and then I got samples of all the packaging, and I got to put forward my opinions, and they sent me the first samples of the products themselves. So I sent them a video basically giving my feedback, so I'll insert a little bit of that here.
Hiya, I'm going to be just talking about some of the samples that AVON have sent over to me. I'm wearing a mixture of basically all of them on my cheeks right now, and they didn't break apart my foundation, which I really like because that often happens when you put a liquid on top. It kind of makes your foundation break apart, and it didn't. It went on super smooth. These are a win for me so far. I really love the formula of these. I've used your stamp liner, your star, and I really like these. I find these super precise. Didn't bleed on my eye. They're bleeding a bit on my hands, but the star didn't bleed at all when I put it on top of my foundation. Really like those. Don't really have many like improvements or anything on these. I really like these. Concept, I really like the concept of it. I just want it to be a bit more, I don't know, I just feel like it needs a bit more sparkle to it. And the lips I really like. This is definitely my favorite shade, but that's just because I like nude. I'm really excited to see what they come back with and to see, you know, what kind of stuff they take on board. Super fascinating to me, someone who's a massive makeup lover. I'm really intrigued to watch the kind of process, and I'm so excited with how the products have turned out. I think they're amazing. So the packaging is so cool and matches my hair. And it's a big collection. There's a lot of products. There's liquid highlighters. These are the Flashlight FX Illuminating Drops, and you can see on the packaging there's palm trees. This is inspired by Coachella and festival season, and I really think that they've channeled that through the packaging. This was actually the packaging that I chose. There are 3 mascaras. They originally sent me like 6 different colors, and then these are the 3 that we all kind of agreed on. So there's a black with blue glitters in it, there's a violet, and then there's a blue. There are 8 eyeliners, which, if I'm honest, are probably my favorite part of the collection. They're honestly so creamy and amazing. Let me show you one shade. So this is in the shade Tropic Teal. So pigmented and so creamy. There's also stamp liners, which are so unique. So there's one called Making Waves, one called Stakeout. So here they are. There's waves, there's a lightning bolt, there's an anchor, and there's also a star one, which I've done a whole look on. So that will be coming on my Instagram soon. For the lips, they have launched these lipsticks, which I love. There's 4 different shades. So here are the shades. We've got Sparkle On, we've got Shine Bright, we've got Blushing Beauty, and Love You. They're all different textures and different formulas, and guys, they smell so good. I'm wearing right now Shine Bright, the gold with a little bit of lip liner, because the look I decided to go for today, which I am about to show you, is all about clashing metals, so golds and silvers all kind of together, because I, as you can see, I'm not afraid to clash
metals. Finally, you're probably wondering what these glitters are on my face. They have launched some face gems. Face gems are the easiest thing in the entire world and they're perfect for festival season. So there's different colors, kind of individual ones, different shapes, sizes. Obviously the one I'm wearing right now. This piece here actually is meant to go on your forehead, but I thought it would look quite cool on your chest. Something a little bit different because you can put them obviously anywhere that you want to. And I just think it's such a fun look. So yeah, I have used loads of these products today on my face and I'm so proud to have been part of this collection and to get involved and to see how something like this actually happens and like the behind the scenes for it. It was just a really cool experience and I'm so thrilled with how everything turned out. I've been involved with this project for months and months. I can't believe they're finally launched. Like, Avon is such high quality. I've been using Avon products for years. Their eyeliners have been a firm favorite of mine for years, like years. If you watch my old videos back, there were two of their eyeliners, gold and then a navy blue, that I used to wear every day. So for me, Avon is like always a good choice. It's not expensive. They're super affordable. So the gems start at £4. At the moment, the illuminating drops are £6. They're usually £8. They're £2 off. The gel liner pencils are currently £3.50 each. That's crazy good, you guys. These are insane. The mascaras are currently £5.50 and the stamps are currently £3.50 and the lipsticks are currently £6. If you're gonna get them, I recommend you pick them up now, just in time for festival season and whilst they're on offer. They are currently on sale. I've linked everything down below for you guys if you'd like to try any of these out. So that's a little bit of an overview about the collection. Now, let me show you how they work. You're gonna wanna start having done all of your regular skincare, whatever you like, and you wanna make sure you wear SPF because festivals, you're outdoors all day. Sorry, the sun is coming out, just ignore it. But you wanna make sure you've got your SPF on. So this is the NARS Radiance Primer. This has SPF 35. So the first product from the West Coast collection that I'm gonna take is the Flashlight FX Illuminating Drops. This one is in the shade Get Lit, which is my favorite, but they do come in 3 different shades. And I'm actually gonna apply this underneath my foundation on the high point. So this shade is slightly dark on me, which is why I'm wearing it underneath my foundation, because it will give the reflective quality that I want, but the colour will get a little bit concealed. I'm now just gonna throw on a full coverage foundation, and this is gonna go on top, all over, but you're still gonna have that lovely glow peeking through. I'm also just gonna throw my concealer on. And this look is meant to be pretty fast because the last thing you want is to be at a festival, ready and raring to go, and sitting doing your makeup for 4 hours. You want something that looks really cool, that's gonna be attention grabbing, but something that's pretty quick and easy as well. But something that everyone's gonna be asking you, what's on your face? For me personally, some of my favorite are the big gel paint pencils. There are 8 shades of these, and honestly, they are so good. They're so good. Such a gorgeous array of colors. We've got blacks, we've got this gorgeous teal green, we've got like coppery browns, we've got silvers. So I think for this look, I wanna do something that's like clashing metal tones. So I think I wanna do gold and silver. So I'm definitely gonna be using the silver. So I'm just gonna take a warm brown, and this I'm going to whack in my crease. And then I'm gonna take a dark brown, and this has got gold shimmers in it, and I'm gonna pack this over the lid. 2 eyeshadows, super quick and smoky, and kind of the messier the better, to be honest. I'm now gonna go in with the big gel paint pencil, and this is in the shade Rich Copper. I'm actually just gonna draw this over the lid. It's a little bit more grungy. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it. And once these set, they're not going anywhere. Okay, on my waterline, I'm gonna take the shade Silver Shimmer. I'm gonna then go in with the copper shade just on the outer corner. This will tie the top lash line and the bottom lash line together. As I said, they have launched 3 mascaras. They've got the violet, the black, and the blue. I'm gonna use the black. It isn't just a flat black, it's a black with a little bit of shimmer in it, which I think is really cool. So you get little like bluey flecks on your lashes, which look really cool when they hit the light. I have just thrown on some lashes and look how amazing this silver is. And I also popped a little bit of gold shadow just in the center of the lid. Onto the fun part. This is the part that absolutely anyone can do that I think looks amazing at festivals, is face gems. So this collection has loads of different gems, loads of different colors. I'm gonna go for these ones. These are just the plain silver under the eye and then a forehead gem, but I'm actually gonna put the forehead gem on my chest because you can do what you want. I'm just gonna throw on a little bit of bronzer. I'm gonna use a lovely warm toned blush. And then on top of where I put that cream highlighter, I'm gonna take a really gold toned highlight to set that and make it even more intense. Oh my god. Also, before I put the face gems on my body, I'm going to take the highlighting drops again. And I'm going to highlight my body. Oh my god, that's sick. Oh my god, I'd 100% wear this to a festival. Look quite cool here. Okay, lips. I feel like it's only right for me to go for a gold lip, right? Guys, I can't tell you how good these smell. I'm gonna line my lips as well. I love it. It was super duper fast. It looks really effective. These gems are everything. That is the finished look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed and I hope you're excited about these products. They are all going to be linked down below for you if you would like to try them out for yourselves for festival season. Thank you guys for always supporting me and making cool experiences like this possible for me, because without you I wouldn't be doing anything cool, really. It means the world that you watch my videos, and hopefully the sound is better in this video, you guys. Man, oh man. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.